Come test drive the 2018 Camry. Toyota Camry is an affordable midsize car, reliable and great comfortable commuter car. This vehicle has less than 70,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, brake assist, traction control, daytime running lights, FWD, four-wheel disc brakes, remote trunk release, LED headlights, tires, front performance. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.